Welcome to Integration TV on part 2 of Mogadishu Rising. Join me as I go for a swim with my son at Lido Beach. I'll head over to Hano Academy and teach social media to young Somalis as we meet the women changing education in Somalia. This is Integration TV, connecting you to Somalia.
Push, go guys, go, 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 go. Exercise. Horo sala.
ربي سوعير العرقادو سيرا عربتيو وبحر دينار عرفي دونتا
madafo Muqdisho kama dhoofo dareen labta midaan arkay maanta ayaan may dareen labta midaan arkay maanta.
Hey, tell us, what do you want to tell about the Indian Ocean? Do you know anything about the Indian Ocean?
6 times bigger than the United States.
Say what?
Wa mid kala uma quro.
Do you like living in Mogadishu?
Yes?
Why?
Because I can have fun and I learn language.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, Hassan, say hi to the camera. Everybody's watching. Hassan, look, everybody's watching around the world. What do you want to tell them about Lido Beach in Somalia?
I don't know what to say.
The Indian Ocean, what else? What was the other fact we learned about the Indian Ocean? That was kind of cool.
I want to jump off.
You forgot? 72 million
Yeah, I didn't know.
square
Meters.
Okay, sure. All right. Lido Beach, this is Somalia, guys. Look how our kids are enjoying this beautiful country. Let's go. Let's go back to the base, yeah?
This is Integration TV, connecting you to Somalia. I'll head over to Hano Academy and teach social media to young Somalis.
Today's seminar is about social media for social impact. Please let me welcome Hodan Nalay.
anigu waxaan ahay gabadhii ugu horeysay oo af Ingiriis TV soo saarta Soomaalida dhammaan bay joogaan daawada dad badan baa jira anigoo kala ah thank you dad badan baa jira anigoo kala ah oo wadan kale ku soo koray oo Soomaaliya waxba ka aqoonin oo dadkoodii waxba ka aqaanin barigii hore and haddana raba inay wadankii soo laabtaan dadka wax ku faa'iideeyaan dadka wax baraan. So if English ka TV geena maaha just wax la daawado oo TV ah waxa waaye wax noloshaada ku bedeli kartid saa u horumartid sida nolosha bedeshid sida waxaan hay always dream killers dadka niyada ka shabiya tustid waxa tahay sax maaha. How many of you guys know any dream killers dad niyada ka shabiya Soomaaliya? How many know? Isha gacanta Sara. Okay, so let's hear your dream. What's your dream?
dreamkii haddaan ii sheego waxaa waaye inaan noqdo specialty psychiatrist. Somal psychology problem aan haysto before yani haddii anaga physicalkeena ma ahan mentalkeena waa waxaa rabaa hool deeqayso 2,000 oo qof in wax kasoo jeediyo.
aniga iskoolka u socda jaamacadda buugay wato aloosha ay wato wallah soo dream kuweyn aleeyaa maxay tahay ilmaha tarbijiifka lahay inaan wax taro magacaas tarbijiifkan aan u bedelo inay noqdaan ubixii mustaqbalka iyo rajada Soomaaliyeed.
walaal marka waxaa riil ugu kooda xawaa anigu hamigaygu weyn inaan bedelo wadankan dunsan
The first question we're going to start with for social media. Everybody knows what social media waxay tahay, right? What's the most popular social media Somali use karayaan? Who can answer that question? Snapchat?
Facebook.
هيا
Twitter,
هيا
etc.
ETC
Means
what did he say Instagram what
insurance.
which one
iyo wixii lamid ah.
oh wixii lamid ah okay I was waxaa u maleynaya another social media Somalida we know understand that there's a different marketing for every social media platform so qof Somali ah maanta wuxuu u maleynayaa Facebook kaliya galaya and wax walba ku soo qori karaa so how do we use social media in the right platforms in the right way
This is Integration TV, connecting you to Somalia.
Welcome to Integration TV. We are still in Mogadishu, Somalia, exploring this beautiful nation. And guess what? Meeting inspiring Somalis who are coming back to change their country because that's the people that I love to meet. People who care and who want to contribute. So I'm so happy that I've met someone 2 years ago actually in Hargeisa. And today I come back to Mogadishu 2.5 years later and she's opened a school.
I chose to be out of my field, out of my comfort zone, and build the first accredited and academic progression and Polytechnic Academy, which provides capacity building education and professional development for the Somali academics and civil servants, as well as vocational and technical skill training for labor-oriented Somalis because of there were needs. There are schools in Somalia, there are universities, but there is no accredited institution like ours. What inspires me most is to see somebody that I help them a little bit, somebody that I train, somebody that I teach, that is doing better in life. For example, getting a job or actually either going to further education or creating their own, businesses. That actually inspires me most because that is the best thing that I can ever do for somebody else. You can give somebody money, we always send, some money back home to Somalia when we are abroad. But that money, they will always spend it. But if you help them to educate them, if you help them to train them, that will leave a big impact because they will find a job for themselves and make a living from there. So I started Hano Academy back in 2011. I actually moved back 2015. When I came back in Mogadishu, I had, the idea was on paper. And when I tried to share with a lot of people, majority of the people actually think that I was a crazy woman. Nobody will ever thought that this could come to a reality. I never get anybody like financial help per se from anybody other than, close friends and my mom. And that I'm forever grateful. People don't realize the power that they have unless they take the action. So what I will tell people like me, people like you who are watching us, always follow your heart, follow your passion. It will be difficult. I would never say that it is easy, and I will never say that it is too difficult. Everything is doable. There will always be a road bump, but you have to pick yourself up and say, okay, God, what are you teaching me? What is the lesson I have to learn through these challenges? And then start the next chapter. Because if you let your dream die, that is a part of you dying.
Thanks for watching this episode of Integration TV in Somalia. Don't forget to subscribe below and support our work as we continue to travel and meet inspiring Somalis. This is Integration TV, connecting you to Somalia.